everybody, how's it going today? Rebel here, back with a new video. It's been a little while. Today it's going to be a little update video. I'm just on my way to meet up with my nephew. He's doing a weekend getaway tour on his motorcycle before he goes back to school. So he's staying here in Moncton, so I'm going to go meet up with him and see what's going on. But what I want to talk to you guys about today is, some of you may have known, if you follow me on Instagram or social media, last weekend was my big trip away. My once a year big trip I do on my motorcycle. We go down to New Hampshire, to the White Mountains, ride the roads down there because they're fantastic compared to here, as you can tell. Well, it's just construction, no big deal. But yeah, it was a great weekend last weekend. I did record some video. I did record a lot of kind of like scenic stuff. No, Cena. Cancel. Thank you. Setting up problems. So yeah. Yeah, it was a good weekend. A lot of fun, a lot of good riding. Like I said, I recorded some video. I did do a motovlog. I just did one though. I don't know, something about being away on a trip, a lot of kilometers. I don't know, I wasn't really feeling it to do motovlogs. Just wanted to hang out, ride some roads. Friday was a long day for me. It's an 11-hour day of riding, which I don't mind. It was pretty fun. You get a little sore, especially with ape hangers, but not a big deal. Just deal with it. It's a very long day for me. What I did is I met up with my buddy Colin, lives in Fredericton, which is about 2 hours away from here. And then me and him bombed her down to North Conway. We did a little bit of back roads. Took the Highway 2. That brings you into the White Mountains, kind of the north end. We're not real good with all the roads down there. I don't really know where I'm going most of the time. I hang out in the back. Best place for me. So it was a good time. I'm working on those videos right now a little bit. I'm on vacation, but I'm also busy doing vacation stuff. But I thought I'd record a video today and let you guys know what's going on. Saturday we had not too bad of weather. It was supposed to rain, but with the routes that we took, we went over to Vermont to go to a beer craft store. Can't remember the name of it. Farmstead Brewery, maybe. I think that was the name of it. So yeah, we kind of lucked out and dodged the rain. We might have had like 2 minutes of a sprinkle. It was no big deal. But that was a long day. We got there and we spent probably about 2 hours there just waiting in lineups. We didn't seem to have a very good system. But Sean is a craft beer kind of guy. So he wanted to go pick up some stuff, so we're more than happy to oblige. We've never been there. I've never been to Vermont, so I was like, yeah, cool, let's go. And then Sunday was a beautiful day. It was real sunny out. And that's when we recorded a motovlog. We didn't do a lot of heavy riding on Sunday just because Monday we had to head back home, and it was a big day for me and Colin. So we rode probably it might have been we were probably out for about 4 hours or so, 3.5, 4 hours, somewhere around there, just long enough to say that we went out riding. And Sean was heading back on Sunday, so he rode like half a day with us, and then from there, after we did the Franconia Notch and ended up in whatever town we ended up, he took off from there, headed back home. So it was a pretty fun weekend. Like I said, I'll be working on that video and hopefully I'll get it up next week. I am going away camping on Monday, so I'm going to try to get it done this weekend, or at least part of it. I'm not sure if I'm going to do 2 parts. Might do a part 1, kind of like the trip down, because I did a lot of scenic stuff. So the first video might be that, and maybe my second video will be the motovlog. I'm not sure yet. We'll figure it out. I forgot we're hitting this is our busy summertime rush, as you can see from all the traffic. That's a joke. I know we don't have a lot of traffic here. So other than that, I don't really have a whole lot. That's about what I'm up to. I think I covered everything. I'm gonna put this video up before my trip, obviously, because it's an update video and it's going to be quick and easy to edit and upload. I know I haven't uploaded a lot. I don't know. Sometimes I find it hard. I just work so much. I don't really want to do a motovlog when I'm going back and forth from work. Just kind of dumb. Kind of dumb and boring. Other than that, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I got lots of pictures I've been posting from the trip last weekend. A link will be in the description below. Twitter, if you want to follow me there. Facebook. I don't really have Facebook. I just have a personal one for friends and family. I don't really have one for my motovlog. I'm not a big Facebook fan. Well, kind of annoys me. That's a church. Okay. Seems kind of strange to me. That's cool. Alright, that's it for me, guys. I'm meeting them up here, Magnetic Hill somewhere. I don't know. Oh, I think I missed it. Oh my god, I did. Oh no, we're still turning here. Alright guys, that's it for me. I'll talk to you guys soon. Hopefully Sean's here. We're just gonna look weird hanging at a place with kids. And it's all dirt. Great. Alright guys, see ya.